finally, you guys! Crazy time! Hey, I'll tell you later what I'm gonna be for Halloween, but first, let's get some multis for you, okay? Hello, everybody! Nice to see you at Crazy Time! Well, I hope this is gonna be really profitable for you guys and, get you all in a better mood, let's say. So, decision time is here. Choose your team, green, blue, or yellow right now. And this is a crucial decision, you know that, so good luck to everyone. Get ready. Couple more seconds. Alright, guys. So, we got 100x, and let's get some doubles on the way as well. Good luck. Well, we got 10x for green, 15x for yellow, and a double for blue. So, guys, blue team, we're advancing for the next spin. Well, redemption needed for green and yellow next time, though. But blue team, 200x there. Well, best of luck. Let's go. Another double. Okay, this is getting more interesting there. Well, double for blue team again, you guys. You ready? Let's do this. Now we have a possibility of getting a 400x. So, best of luck to all of you. Let's go, guys. Good luck. Oh, 200x for blue team. Look at that. Congratulations. Woohoo! You mean like Crazy Time Halloween edition or something? Oh. Okay, guys. We got another Crazy Time, this time with a top slot. Let's get going. Woo! Whoop. Alright, guys, you ready? Redemption time. Let's go. Well, green and yellow team, this is your shot. We need to get something bigger and better right now for you. Alright. So carefully decide. Well, wait. First things first. Let's double the fun. And now, carefully decide which flapper you want to go for. Which team you want to go for. Team blue, green, or yellow. Good luck with the choice. A few more moments, guys. Don't miss out. So, we're ready. What do we got there? 200x max multi now. Let's get some doubles and all the fun. Good luck. Redemption time. Woo! Okay. Oh, 100x for green. 20x for blue. Well, it is redemption time, guys. Yellow, double, trouble, let's go! Woo! Let's do it. 400x right now. Let's get a double as well, maybe. Good luck. Let's do it.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Trolltime UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.